It's really terrific. This right here is an electric outlet tester, and it tests just every regular outlet you've got, plus the GFIs, that ground fault, the one with the little breaker in it. And it'll do it in such a way that it'll tell you what your voltage is. If everything is okay, it'll actually put the words correct and a green light. And if there is a problem, it will flash a red light. It'll say there's an error and tell you what the error is, such as you've got a ground wire that is maybe too corroded and it's not making a good connection, or you just put it in and you got the neutral wire backwards with the ground wire, or anything like that. Any combination of those things, it will actually tell you that. And that way you can fix it right there, or let you know if the entire outlet is not working, and you can pop it out and go get a new one for $5 and put it in. It's also got a little tester on it. So you can put it in your ground fault outlet and push the test button, and it will make it pop and let you know if that is working okay as it should. It's a terrific product. Right here, again, Amazon, just a few bucks, and it's worth it. Let me take it out of the box here and show it to you. I'm sure just seeing what happens here, a lot better than me just explaining it to you. Well, first of all, you get this wonderful instruction manual, and it would help if I turned it right side up. There you are. And you can say, well, I'm not an electrician. I don't understand all that stuff. It's got words and pictures and tells you, as I was saying, oh, you've got a ground wire that needs to be connected. Your hot wire is not connected. And it shows pictures exactly what you're going to see. Okay, first of all, here it is, like this. Fits in the palm, whoops. Fits in the palm of your hand, just like this, and plugs into your wall, just like anything would. But it comes with this little plastic protector, which slides right off. Now, that's to protect it in shipping. I like to keep it because I keep it in my toolbox. It protects this right here. Now, to get this to work, you've got to put little AAA batteries, which are supplied, and they actually give you this little screwdriver to do it. And so you just simply put the screwdriver right in here and take the back off with a few turns, and then put the batteries in and put this on. It takes just a minute. Okay, here it is. Now what I'm going to do is turn this on in a minute, and it'll give you a blank screen and flash some zeros and let you know that it's ready to plug in. And here's the little test button right here. So when you've got it in one of those GFI outlets, you can push this button and it will let you know if that breaker is actually working as it's supposed to. It's a wonderful wonder machine. Here we go. Let me turn it on right like this. There you go. So it's reading 0. And in a few moments, I'm going to demonstrate this, and it'll give you the actual voltage. It'll tell you if everything is okay right here. And if it's okay, this will be green down here. If it's not okay, it'll flash red right here, and it will tell you right here exactly what that fault is, and then you can correct it if you need to. This is really a super item. Hey, listen, why don't I just go demonstrate it and show you how easy it is to work. Be right back. Hi. Hey, I'm in my kitchen, and we just put this tile up and put all new switches, and right here is the GFI outlet I put in, and I've been having some trouble with it. So we'll use this, and we'll see if I can figure out what's going on. Simply turn it on like this. There we are. It says it's ready to use. And I'll plug it in like this. So easy it is. And right away, the red light came on. And if you look at that right there, it shows it's got voltage, but the red is flashing, and the message right there says open ground. Well, that means that I've got to rewire this. I have got a ground wire that's not connected. Okie doke, we'll try another, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, here's an outlet that's wired in the same line as that GFI. So let's see if this one's at fault too. It's all set to go. I just plug it in right here. just like that, and the green light came on, and it reads, everything is correct. Okay, I've got another GFI upstairs. I'm going to go try that. Well, hi, I'm back once again, and I'm upstairs in a bathroom where I have another GFI. Well, I'm going to check this one, and here I've got this turned on, ready to go. All I do, again, is just plug it in, give it a second. The green light came on, and that tells me right there that everything is just fine. But now let's check the circuit breaker on this. So what I can do, as you see, after about 3 seconds or so, this goes, 10 seconds, it goes back to 0. I plug it in like this. Now watch, I'm going to hit the test button, which is located right here. Did you hear that pop? Now it's flashing, and it's showing me that it's okay, and that this button is tripped. I don't know if you can see the little light there. So all I have to do is reset it, and it tells me the breaker is working. I'll put it back in just like that, and sure enough, there it is. So this is a really handy device for checking all of your outlets, and it lets you know even if this little breaker is safe. So I would highly recommend this. They're not expensive, available on Amazon, and it's going to stay in my toolbox. I thank you for watching my video.